our last discussion, the Cournot model, when demand is given as P equals to A minus Q1 minus Q2 or A minus Q1 plus Q2 in the oligopoly form, oligopoly market. So we have already discussed that there are two different options. So first is that they are competing each other. That means non-cooperation, and each will produce that time Q1 equals to Q2 equals to, we got A minus C by 3, and profit will be pi 1 equals to pi 2 equals to A minus C square by 9. And second is the part of collusion, that means both are cooperating with each other. That time each firm will produce how much? Q1 equals to Q2 equals to A minus C by 4. They will act like a multiplying monopolist, and that time profit of each firm will be A minus C square by 8. So both firms can be better off by cooperating. Now we will show the third possibility here, and then we will form our payoff matrix. Third possibility is that, let us consider firm 1. This firm 1 is cooperates, but firm 2 does not cooperate, or the firm 2, you can say that firm 2 cheats firm 1. So as firm 1 is cooperating, it will produce Q1 will be equal to A minus C by 4. Given A minus C, given this output level of firm 1, firm 2 will try to maximize its profit, and hence its profit function will be pi 1 equals to A minus Q2 plus A minus C by 4 into Q2 minus CQ2. So it will be AQ2 minus Q2 square minus A minus C by 4 into Q2 minus CQ2. So, sorry, this will be pi 2. So del pi 2 by first order condition 0 equals to A minus Q2 minus A minus C by 4 minus C equals to 0. Or we can simplify it, A minus C minus A minus C by 4 minus 2Q2 equals to 0, or 2Q2 equals to 3A into 3 into A minus C by 4, or Q2 equals to 3 into A minus C by 8. So this is the equilibrium level of output by second firm when it does not cooperate, but firm 1 is cooperating. So what will be the profit? Sorry, first we have to find out what will be the market price. So market price will be A minus 3 into A minus C by 8 plus A minus C by 4. That equals to A minus 8, 3A minus C plus 2 into A minus C by 8. So actually A minus 5 into A minus C divided by 8, or 8a minus 5a plus 5c minus 8 or equals to 3a plus 5c by 8. This will be the market price. So farm 1's profit will be what? P minus C into Q1, and farm top 2's profit will be P minus C into Q2. So pi 1 equals to 3a plus 5c divided by 8 minus c into a minus c by 4. So it will be 3a minus 3c by 8 into a minus c by 4, or we can write it 3 into a minus c whole square by 32. What will be the profit of farm 2? It will be similarly 3 into a minus c by 8 into Q2 equals to 3 into a minus c by 8 equals to 9 into a minus c whole square by 64. So, if, and next possibility is if farm 1 cheats, that means does not cooperate, and farm 2 cooperates, the thing will be just reverse. So pi 1 will be equals to 9 into a minus c whole square by 64, and pi 2 will be equals to 3 into a minus c whole square by 32. So now let us form the payoff function of two farms, payoff matrix, and then we will find out the Nash equilibrium. Here we see the strategies of farm 1, and here we see the strategies of farm 2. First, farm 1, farm 2 both cooperate. So farm 1 has two strategies, cooperate and non-cooperate or cheating. Farm 2 has also two strategies, cooperate or non-cooperate or cheating. So if farm 1 and farm 2 both cooperate, so everyone's revenue will be a minus c whole square by 8. So everyone will enjoy a minus c whole square by 8. If farm 1 cooperates but farm 2 does not cooperate, then farm 1's profit will be 3 into a minus c whole square by 32, and it will be 9 into a minus c whole square by 64. So here, if farm 1 does not, farm 2 cooperates, farm 1 does not cooperate, it will enjoy 9 into a minus c whole square by 64, and farm 2 will enjoy 3 into a minus c whole square by 32. And here both will enjoy a minus c whole square by 9, a minus c whole square by 9. So this is the payoff matrix. Now let us consider the strategies of the dominant strategy of both firms. Now let us consider firm 1. If firm 2 cooperates, by cooperating, firm A1 will enjoy A minus C square by 8. But if firm does not cooperate, it will enjoy 9 into A minus C whole square by 64. So this value is greater than this value. 9A minus C square by 64 is greater than A minus C square by 8. Similarly, if firm 2 does not cooperate, firm 1's profit will be 3A minus C square by 32. But if firm 1 cheats, it does not cooperate, his profit will be A minus C square by 9. So A minus C square by 9 is greater than 3 into A minus C square by 32. So firm A or firm 1, its dominant strategy will be non-cooperating. So whatever is the firm 2 strategy, firm 1 will gain more by non-cooperating or cheating. Similarly, let us consider from the perspective of firm 2. If firm 1 cooperates, by cooperating, firm 2 will gain A minus C square by 8. By cheating, firm 2 will get 9 into A minus C square by 64. So by cheating, firm 2 will make more profit. Similarly, if firm 2 does not cooperate, by cooperating, this will be the payoff, this will be the profit of firm 2, and by non-cooperating, his profit will be more. So firm 2 also has the dominant strategy will be not cooperate. So though cooperation can give them better equilibrium, but both will go for non-cooperation. So this point is the Nash equilibrium. Here one thing we have to remember, here we considering that both of the firms are playing their strategy for only one time. This is not a repeated game. So if this is not a repeated game, if any firm cheats, then both firms have incentive of cheating. And second thing we have to remember, if any firm cheats, his rival cannot take any retaliatory strategy if it is single shot game. So both will have the incentive to cheating. Both firms' dominant strategy will be to non-cooperate. And finally, we will find out a Nash equilibrium just like the case of prisoner's dilemma. But if it is a repeated game, the result will be different, which we will discuss in our next part.